Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pack with me video. I'm going to Mexico for Bachelorette this weekend that I'm really excited for, and I'm going for 3 nights and 4 days, and I have a different outfit for every day and night activity, so I'm hoping that it'll all fit into one carry-on. So I wanted to share with you guys my process of how I pack and kind of give you a sneak peek on all the outfits that I'm going to wear in Mexico. So this is like my main clothing rack. Sorry it's kind of messy, but I've been shopping for the past few weeks and I kind of put everything that I bought like for this trip specifically up in the front here, and then I have a bag full of like other stuff that I just like put to the side. I do like to prepare early, so that's why I just like have everything set to the side here, so when I'm ready to start packing and putting everything in my suitcase, it is all kind of here for me to look at. Before I start packing, I like to just play some music, so I just picked this playlist. I just searched like Tori Moi, because he just has like a lot of chill music. So if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a robe, I like to wear this whenever I'm packing because it's easy just to take off and on. Whenever I'm packing, I like to try on my outfits to make sure that I have all my accessories and that everything looks good together. So the first thing that I do is lay out all my outfits on the floor in the order of how I'm going to wear them, just so I can see visually everything that I'm going to pack. I have my itinerary on my phone that I like to refer back to make sure that I'm packing everything and I have all the outfits for all the activities. Alright, so my goal is to fit everything in this small carry-on suitcase. This one is by the brand CalPak. I did a review and unboxing of this one and the check-in size on my channel last year that I'll link in the description box down below for you guys to check out. It's the average carry-on suitcase size, and then it has the expandable part here as well. That'll be really helpful for me. And then it also has this TSA lock that'll be good for safety purposes. It's pretty spacious. It has like this compartment on this one side, and then there's a lot of zipper pockets like right here and then up here, and then this whole area kind of zips open so you can put more stuff underneath. So here's all my outfits laid out in order of how I'm going to wear it. I just put it in order so I can see and match it up to my itinerary to make sure that I have all the outfits that I need. And then for shoes, I do have a tendency to pack too many shoes, and that makes like my suitcase really heavy. And I kind of overpack sometimes, but I'm learning to kind of rewear the same shoes and kind of use the same pieces from different outfits, so I'm kind of packing less. So for shoes, I have these ones I'm going to wear on the airplane because I'm always cold, so I don't really want to wear any sandals. So I'm going to put these to the side. And then I got these sandals from Target. They were only $12.99, and they're just a cute, simple, like round flats that kind of just go with everything. And then from Zara, I picked up these really cute sandals. These ones are just like a nude color and has like a clear strap, so this literally matches everything. So for all my outfits here, like everything can go either with these two shoes. So I'm going to be saving a lot of space, and it's not going to be like super heavy. I have a lot of shoes, and normally I would like switch it up with all these different outfits, but since I don't have the space, these ones are going to work just fine, especially with these ones. These ones just go with everything. I can wear them day or night, and they're actually really comfortable. The only thing with these is that this strap doesn't really stay on my foot, so it kind of just slides down, but it still fits and works as like a mule too if it does slide down, so it's not like super uncomfortable. So for jewelry, I have these earrings that I paired with all my outfits. I just have this like Ziploc bag that I'm just going to throw it in. It's really small, so it's just going to take up like this much space. So I have it just packed up like this in this Ziploc bag. I like to pack my shoes first just because they're the most bulkiest and biggest items, and I like to put it in a reusable bag to protect the shoes from all my clothing. So I'm reusing this Glossier bag that I have, and I'm gonna put that in the right side of my suitcase first. Usually for longer trips where I have a lot more stuff, I do like to roll my clothing in my suitcase, but in this case I don't have too much stuff and I don't really want to wrinkle it too much, so I'm going to be folding it. I start with the heaviest and thickest piece that I have on the bottom and then kind of fill in the extra space with all the smaller items. Also for the items that are thinner and that don't wrinkle too much, I do like to roll those and then put them in the empty pockets of space that I find. The swimsuits that I bought from Amazon already came in these like plastic Ziploc bags that are gonna come in really handy. Moving on to my toiletries and carry-on items, I just laid everything out on the floor here, and I bought this bag from Amazon. It's this plastic waterproof bag that's great for traveling, especially if you're going to somewhere where there's a lot of sand or water. It has like these 3 Ziploc closure, and it's also a little bit see-through, so you can kind of see what's inside. I like to put things like my passport, my wallet, and some items that I'm going to always be grabbing on a daily. If you guys have ever shopped at Glossier, then you know about this pink bag. They give you this whenever you shop there. It's this Ziploc bag that's padded, and I really like using this for traveling because it just holds a lot of items, especially like my skincare products. I have liquids. It just keeps everything together, and then the padding helps to not get anything super squished. I've recently been using this Steripod toothbrush holder on a daily basis, and it's also really great for traveling because it's not super bulky. It just clips on the top of the toothbrush, and it also has something inside that keeps like the germs out. Most of my skincare liquid products are TSA approved and carry-on friendly, except for my face cleanser. So I got this empty tube from Daiso. It came in a pack of 3, I believe, for $1.99, and I'm just gonna squeeze out just enough product for the trip and then pack it away. So on the other side of my suitcase, I'm going to pack the toiletries that we just packed, and then all of my other heavier items like my curling iron, my brush, and my makeup bag. I always pack my mini handheld steamer whenever I'm traveling because I like to steam my items before I wear it, and this one's really convenient because it's super small and great for on the go. Lastly, for my carry-on bag, I have this mini Adidas backpack. I'm going to put in that waterproof bag that has my passport and any essentials that I need to easily grab. I like to keep my portable charger and the cord with me in my bag just in case I do need it. And then I also have some snacks for the plane, and I pack my camera right in the front for easy access. I also like to bring some headphones for the plane ride, as well as a book that I'm reading, and everything just fits really well in this bag. It's actually pretty spacious. So after I'm all ready and packed, what I like to do is I like to put my airport outfit at the top here, and then my suitcase and everything to the side with my shoes, so that the night before I'm all packed and ready to go, and then in the morning I could just get ready and put on that outfit, and then I can go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these types of videos, kind of giving behind the scenes of what I'm doing. I'm trying to incorporate more lifestyle content on my channel. Please stay tuned for some more content that I'm going to be creating in Mexico. Hopefully I'll have some time to maybe make an what I wore in Mexico video. I'm planning to do that. But yeah, if you guys have Instagram, you can follow me at Julia Sa. I'll be posting a lot of content on there. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.